Breaking a lease without proper communication can lead to unnecessary fees, disputes, or even legal consequences. If you know that you need to move before your lease expires, the best approach is to notify your landlord as early as possible and request an agreement to end the lease on mutually acceptable terms. A well-written early lease termination agreement letter helps explain your situation, demonstrates good faith, and opens the door to a professional discussion that may benefit both parties. Whether you need to relocate for work, face unexpected financial hardship, experience family changes, or have another legitimate reason for moving, presenting your request respectfully can make a significant difference. A clear and professional early lease termination agreement letter shows that you understand your responsibilities under the lease and are willing to cooperate throughout the termination process. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Tyler Anderson, 2248 Meadowview Drive, Columbus, Ohio 43215, United States 6145558264, tyler.anderson@email.com. This section identifies who is requesting the early lease termination and provides your landlord with current contact information. Make sure the address listed is the rental property covered by the lease agreement, so there is no confusion about which lease you are referring to. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, August 3rd, 2026. The date establishes when your request was submitted and documents that you provided advance notice. Sending your request as early as possible gives your landlord more time to review your proposal and prepare for the transition. Recipient information. Next, write your landlord's or property manager's information. For example, Karen Mitchell, Maple Grove Property Management, 1450 Oak Street, Columbus, Ohio 43215, United States. This directs your request to the person responsible for managing your lease agreement. Addressing the correct landlord or property manager helps ensure your request is reviewed promptly. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject request for early lease termination agreement. The subject immediately tells your landlord the purpose of your letter. A clear subject line helps distinguish your request from routine rental correspondence and allows it to be processed more efficiently. Salutation. Address your landlord professionally. For example, Dear Ms. Mitchell. Using a respectful greeting establishes a professional tone from the beginning of your letter. Maintaining courtesy can help encourage a cooperative discussion throughout the lease termination process. Opening paragraph. Now explain why you are requesting an early termination of your lease. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally request an early termination of my lease agreement for the property located at 2248 Meadowview Drive, Columbus, Ohio 43215. Under the current lease, the agreement is scheduled to expire on February 28, 2027. However, due to a permanent job relocation to another state, I respectfully request that the lease end on October 1st, 2026. I understand this request falls outside the original lease terms, and I hope we can work together to reach a mutually acceptable solution. This opening paragraph clearly explains the purpose of your letter, while identifying the property, the original lease expiration date, the reason for your request, and your proposed termination date. Providing this information immediately helps your landlord understand your circumstances and begin evaluating your request without unnecessary back-and-forth communication. When explaining your reason for ending the lease early, be honest, concise, and focus only on information that is relevant to your request. Cooperation paragraph. Next, explain that you understand your lease obligations and are willing to cooperate. For example, I understand that my lease agreement contains provisions regarding early termination, and I would like to work with you to reach a mutually acceptable agreement. I am committed to fulfilling any reasonable obligations required under the lease or applicable law, including providing proper written notice, paying any agreed-upon early termination fees, and satisfying any remaining responsibilities necessary to complete the lease termination in accordance with our agreement. This paragraph demonstrates that you respect the lease agreement and understand that ending it early may involve certain obligations. Showing your willingness to cooperate reassures the landlord that you are not attempting to avoid your responsibilities, but instead hope to resolve the matter professionally. This cooperative approach often encourages a more positive response. Showing flexibility during discussions can make it easier for both parties to reach a fair agreement. Move out responsibilities. Paragraph. Now explain how you will prepare the property before leaving. For example, before moving out, I will ensure that the property is thoroughly cleaned, all personal belongings are removed, and the premises are returned in good condition, subject to normal wear and tear. I will also return all keys, garage remotes, access cards, and any other property belonging to the rental. In addition, I would appreciate the opportunity to schedule a final walkthrough inspection at a mutually convenient time so that any remaining concerns can be addressed before the tenancy officially ends. This paragraph assures your landlord that you intend to leave the property in good condition and cooperate throughout the move-out process. Mentioning your willingness to participate in a final inspection demonstrates responsibility and can help avoid misunderstandings regarding the condition of the property or the return of your security deposit. Leaving the property clean and well-maintained often makes the final inspection smoother and reduces the likelihood of disputes. Request for confirmation paragraph. Next, ask about the remaining requirements. For example, please let me know if there are any forms, documents, or additional requirements needed to complete the early lease termination process. I would also appreciate receiving written confirmation of the agreed termination date, along with information regarding any remaining financial obligations, final utility responsibilities, or procedures for returning my security deposit. This paragraph encourages clear communication and helps ensure that both you and your landlord have the same understanding of the termination process. Requesting written confirmation protects both parties and provides an official record of the agreement. Keeping copies of all correspondence and written agreements can be helpful if questions arise later. Thank you paragraph. Then conclude your letter. For example, thank you for your understanding and consideration of my request. I sincerely appreciate your cooperation and look forward to resolving this matter in a professional and amicable manner. I value the positive landlord-tenant relationship we have maintained during my tenancy and hope to complete this process smoothly. This closing paragraph expresses appreciation while reinforcing your desire to end the tenancy on good terms. A respectful conclusion encourages continued cooperation and leaves a positive final impression. Remaining courteous throughout the process can often lead to a more favorable outcome than taking an adversarial approach. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, Sincerely, Tyler Anderson. This is your formal closing and signature identification. Signing your name confirms that you are making the request and demonstrates your commitment to resolving the lease termination responsibly. Before submitting your early lease termination agreement letter, carefully review every detail to ensure the property address, lease expiration date, requested termination date, and reason for your request are accurate. Read your lease agreement to understand any early termination provisions and be prepared to fulfill any reasonable obligations required by the lease or applicable law. A strong request is honest, respectful, and cooperative, making it easier for both you and your landlord to reach an agreement that minimizes complications for everyone involved. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.